In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Atome on Agoda. Before you begin, make sure you have your Atome card details ready. You'll want the card number, the name shown on the card, the expiration date, and the CVV, since Agoda will ask for these during checkout. Having everything prepared in advance makes the booking process much smoother and helps you complete the payment without interruptions. Start by launching the Agoda app or opening Agoda on your device. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your account before moving forward. Being logged in can help keep your booking details organized and may also make checkout faster. Once you're on the main screen, tap the hotel icon. This takes you to the hotel search section where you can begin entering the details for your stay. Next, choose whether your booking is for an overnight stay or day use. After that, enter the location you want to stay in, then select your check-in and checkout dates. You'll also need to specify the number of rooms and the number of occupants. Take a moment here to double-check these details because accurate dates and guest information will help you see the most relevant hotel options. When everything looks right, tap Search. Agoda will show you a list of available properties. Browse through the results and choose the hotel that best fits your needs. After selecting the hotel, choose your preferred room, then tap Book to continue. At this stage, it's a good idea to quickly review the room type, price, and any booking conditions so you know exactly what you're confirming. You'll then arrive at the payment details screen. Here, look for the cards option, since this is where you'll pay using your Atome card. Select that payment method to proceed. When prompted, enter your card number, the name on the card, the expiration date, and the CVV exactly as shown on your Atome card. Be careful while typing, since even a small mistake can cause the payment to fail. If your device offers autofill, you can use it, but always review the details before continuing to make sure everything is correct. Once all of the payment information has been entered, tap Book Now. Agoda will then process your payment and finalize the reservation. If the transaction goes through successfully, your booking will be confirmed. And that's it. That's how to pay with Atome on Agoda. Just make sure your booking details and card information are entered correctly before submitting, and you should be able to complete the process quickly and easily.